a very, very cool video. I want to show you this, because this explains the phenomenon of resonance. This was a test. It was done in a Japanese laboratory with 32 metronomes. You know what a metronome is? Musicians use that, you know, for keeping the pace. So what you see in a couple of moments is the following. You will see a surface, and there are 32 metronomes on it, okay? And they are on a movable surface, so that they can vibrate on this surface. What happens now, the first metronome will be kicked on, and then randomly all other 31s as well. And then just observe in 2.5 minutes what happens. I will comment it a little bit. It's pretty cool stuff. Okay, look. This is number 1. And now what they do, they randomly start the others. So what do you think is going to happen? It will take about 2.5 minutes, and all 31 metronomes will tune in to the frequency of this one without touching something. Observe it. And you can see that the surface is free hanging. It's very important when I talk to you later on about the effect which we create in our body using the same principle. You see some of them already tuning in? They really go all after him. The first one who made the pace, this is the sender. All others are the receiver. Pretty cool, huh? So they more and more get in sync. You see how the surface is moving? Very important. Okay, and then, as always in life, there is this one guy. You know, we know this person, or this, you know, there's always this one guy. But I tell you, I'm not sure if it's a he or a she, but he has no chance. It just takes a little bit more time. And then he needs to move over. You see? No chance. And now, all 32 metronomes are tuned in. And what's cool now, this is going on for a long, long time now. I could run these videos for a long, long time, believe me, and nothing would change anymore. So this is resonance. And why I show you this video, there's a reason for it. Because if we send out this kind of property, this vibration, and the vibration has a property which can be understood by the receiver, we can create resonance. Wenn ich jetzt Deutsch spreche, dann wird es schwierig. I changed my language now, so what I did now, I changed the frequency, and you are suddenly not in resonance with me anymore. Can you get it? Because I changed the frequency to a pattern which you cannot understand, and then you need to check out. So a resonance effect you can only create if the information can be understood by the receiver. It's very important, you know. And in our case, the challenge is to provide this pattern, to provide this content of the information, and then once you have this, then your cells, if you are exposed to a PEMF field, your cells start resonating with it and start taking it over. And now comes the cool part. Why the 8 minutes? Because people always tell me, why do you have to lie 8 minutes on it? I can lie 1 hour on it. You can, but it's just waste of time, because what happens is, in 8 minutes, we figured that out, the resonance effect takes place in each of the 75 trillion cells. And now when you turn off the machine, get up, do something else, the resonance effect will last 4 to 6 hours, like the metronomes. Once you bring every cell in sync with the external stimulus, you can take it over and you can carry it on this effect for 4 to 6 hours. Yesterday I was in California, we did a speech, there was a doctor, he said he made measurings with our IMRS and Omnium 1 device, and he told me that the resonance effect are even measurable after 5 days, after one application. This is pretty cool stuff. So what you